Hey folks, Duke here from GeoFolks. Today we're going to talk about moving points within ArcGIS Pro. So we got some points here and we want to, let's say, move a couple of them. So what we can do is we can go to the Edit tab up here. We can click on Move, then we can make a selection. So let's say we want to move this point. Here we'll have the option to either move, rotate, which doesn't apply as much to points, but scale, and then we can finish here. Or we can cancel or discard those edits. So now that we have it selected, we can click on it and then drag while holding down and then release to where we want it to move to. And we can see that point move there. So let's say if we wanted to move these 2 or 3 points at the same time, what we can do is select one, hold down Shift, select the other, and then select the third one. And now you'll see a moving point in the center of them. So if I were to move this, it will move all 3 of them. So it's just a quick video showing us how to move. Hope this video helps move points. Thanks. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.